Hello and welcome back for another Gala Games price prediction update, and in this video I'll be diving deep into the technical analysis here on the Gala Games chart and also give you my next price targets. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And at the time of this recording, Gala Games is holding above the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as support for us to continue gearing up to our next key area of resistance at around the $0.02616 mark. And the moment we see a break above that key area of resistance, then we can watch out for a successful retest before we can continue gearing up and see a break above the high at around the $0.02892 mark. And if by any chance we continue seeing further weakness, and maybe at some point we also lose the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, then we can expect further breakdown to the next key area of support at around the $0.02296 mark, where we can find support and then get that massive bounce back to the upper side. Gala Games has also continued to obey the Elliot structures, and today we saw a very nice reaction of our red target area here on the charts to the upper side. And to give you my Elliot analysis, I want to give you a recap of what has been happening, basing it on the Elliot structures, where you can see that after seeing our massive crash on the 10th of June, in a breakdown move that gave us a low at around the $0.01815 mark, we saw a very nice bounce to the upside in this 1-2 setup, fully maximizing minimum target areas. Then we started this other 1-2 setup where we have now picked in this wave 1, seen a breakdown move in the formation of this wave 2, minimum target areas highlighted on the charts using this red target area that I came up with by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, giving me a minimum retracement area between the Fib level 0.5 and the Fib level 0.78, which is the area between the $0.02493 mark and the $0.02263 mark. And I'm expecting that Gala Games is going to give us a very nice reaction of this target area, since we have fully maximized the target area, suggesting that there are chances that the low for that second wave is now in, and soon we could start an impulsive wave in the formation of this wave 3. And giving you minimum target areas for that wave 3 by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, I get a minimum target area for the wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.03526 mark. And that is the minimum that we can expect that wave 3 to the upper side to do before we can see a pullback in a wave 4, then continue gearing up in the formation of that wave 5. So those are the two possible scenarios that I'm expecting here on the Gala Games chart. Once you continue gearing up, our first target area should be at around the $0.02616 mark, where we have resistance, and a break above that, then we can see a break above the $0.02893 mark. And in case we continue seeing further weakness, then the key area of support at around the $0.02296 mark can offer us support and then get that bounce back to the upper side. Also taking a look at the indicators on the RSI, we are trading at around the 51 mark. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you updated.